it is natural for cows to be outside. Unfortunately, this is not always and not everywhere possible. Weather conditions like tropical heat, strong wind and rain, or even snow, create the need for shelter. Good quality feed is seldom all year available, and especially under the roof, it is depending on human interaction. Every animal group needs a different ration for optimal growth and production. Calves, for example, require unlimited access to milk and feed for good growth and development. Milking cows require on average 45 to 50 kilograms of roughage per animal. This needs to be available during the day and night, so the feed needs to be distributed and pushed frequently. Furthermore, a cow also needs up to 200 liters of fresh water a day, and she should lie down for at least 12 hours a day, so cubicles need to be comfortable and clean. Cows determine themselves when they want to be milked. The milking robot attracts cows with concentrates and recognizes the cow when she enters. But some cows need more time for eating their concentrates than being milked. And dry cows do not visit the milking robots at all. Therefore, individual feeders ensure that every cow gets the concentrate she needs. It is normal that during the day the floor gets dirtier and needs to be cleaned frequently to prevent hygiene-related hoof and udder health issues. So washing and caring for the hooves helps keeping the hooves healthy. Cow health can be further enhanced by the right skin care. Brushing the skin stimulates the blood circulation, which leads to a more relaxed cow and calmer herd. If cows need medical treatment, a treatment box enhances the safety of both farmer and cow. Lactating cows perform optimally with 16 hours of light a day. During dark days, artificial light mimics the longer summer days. Even in the most comfortable barn, it is good that cows can graze outside when conditions allow this. A selection gate communicates directly with the milking robot to determine which cows are allowed to go outside. A wind turbine can enhance the profitability of a farm while helping the farmer to become more self-sufficient and sustainable. Farmers improve animal health, reproduction, feeding and milking with all the available information, which is supported by one management system. Farm management advisors help farmers to optimize their business and results. Our products and services make the lives of farmers easier, their business more successful, their operations more sustainable, and create a bright future for them. Bright Farming is yours by choice.